This video is on dehydration. Dehydration is the elimination of water to form a double bond. As we know, water doesn't want to be bonded to organic molecules, so therefore you're going to have a hard time finding a molecule that looks like it. However, we know that we can protonate an alcohol to make a water attached to a carbon. This means that if we mix an alcohol with a strong acid, such as concentrated sulfuric or phosphoric acid, we can eliminate water to form a double bond. That is exactly what happens. We protonate the alcohol, and the conjugate base of the strong acid acts as a base to remove water. The coolest thing about this reaction is that it's catalytic with respect to the acid, as we are using the acid to protonate, but then the conjugate base reprotonates to reform the acid. Very simple, very effective, but of course with a caveat that we cannot do these reactions in the presence of any functional group that can't handle strong acids. Now you have a go. What would be the products of these following reactions? You may pause now, and here are the answers.